Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to go back, and in this list let's find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on ringtone at the top. So right here we've got the albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. We've got the classic one and nature. Moreover, we can tap on the one here in custom. So on this device, if you've got something downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here, and you will be able to tap on it and choose it and set it as your ringtone. So let me pick something from nature maybe, and here we've got, after tapping on the specific album, we can choose something from pre-installed ringtones. And in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. We've got this... Oh my god, let me volume it down, definitely. And basically this is how it works. So let's pretend I'd like to set maybe this Waking City as my ringtone. So all we have to do is to tap on it and make sure that it is marked, and then go back. Now we can go back again, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.